Okay, here we go. Finally. Get wash. We're gonna make some amazing sandwich today. Okay, here we go. Gotta wash. Okay. Get the bacon. This is it. Woo, look at that. Yeah, it's been sitting for a minute. I might need to nuke it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. This is gonna be some good BLTs right there. Gonna cut into shape. I'm doing a speed video. Cause this is the follow-up to the baking the bacon. So we're gonna put the bread here to kind of shape out the patty size you want to make. You know what I'm saying? The patty size of the bacon patty. Yep. Get my scissors. Check this out. Look at this. Watch. Cut it. Best BLT ever. Watch. Toast it. I'm gonna put this in the toaster. Toast it. Toasted time. Watch this. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. Gonna toast it. Got my bacon patty here. I'm gonna put that in the microwave for a few minutes. Not even a few minutes. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Not a few minutes. There we go. There we go. BLT time. Woo, slam away. 30 seconds, that's it. We're heating it, not cooking it. It doesn't need to be cooked, it needs to be heated. Gonna get my mayonnaise ready. Oh, there you go. You hear it? It's snapping. It's snapping. Snap, snapping away. Stop it. Ooh, shoot. Look at that. Okay. Got my tomato there. Got to get my lettuce ready. Don't know how to get lettuce ready. Got to rip it apart. Woo. There we go. Just rip some lettuce apart. Don't need to cut it. There you go. I'm gonna get another paper towel. Another paper towel. There we go. This is going to be a really good BLT. I said paper towel. I never rehearse any of this. This is all good food. Watch. Here we go. Go get the toast out of the toaster. Could have been in there longer. Get me a knife. A knife. There we go. Not so even. Easy does it. Bacon.
What have you heard from?
Bacon. The bacon.
No, I was wondering what you heard from the moose.
The who?
The moose.
What's that?
In Japan. You ever in the service?
Never was in the service.
Well, in Japan, your girlfriend or your wife is your moose.
Oh. I don't think my wife would appreciate
She
that.
wouldn't like that.
She'll
How's
buck
your-
me just like a moose.
How's your moose?
My wife is okay. She's just doing stuff with the Pasadena side of things.
Oh, yeah.
Anyways, here you go.
Huh?
Done and done.
Gracias. Thank you.
It could have been toasted more, but I'm gonna.
Fine.
I just was kind of doing a quick.
You know, I love bacon, and they always. Oh, you got me orange juice. Good.
Yes, I did.
They always